Hey guys, and welcome on back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a hair video. This video is going to be of me following one of the Glamtwinz hair tutorials, specifically Kelsey's hair tutorial. So if you want to see me recreate her most recent hair tutorial, then stay tuned. So what I'm doing here is just combing out my hair. It had been braided for a few days, so I want to get all the tangles and knots out. I'm going to shampoo my hair 2 times with the Redken All Soft shampoo and conditioner. Kelsey started out her routine with shampooing with the All Soft shampoo and then conditioning for about 10 minutes or so. The shampoo, at first I had to do 2 different rinses, like 2 rinses. The first time I felt like my hair didn't get very clean. It felt like more almost like a lotion when I put it on my hair, so that it was like moisturizing my hair but not really cleaning it. But when I went through and washed it again, like a second wash, my hair was squeaky clean, almost a little too clean, to the point where it felt like stripped of all moisture. So I was a little worried because my hair is super sensitive, and if you strip it of moisture, because it's already dry anyway, it starts to feel like straw or hay. So when I came in with the conditioner, All Soft conditioner, so I put it on, I left it on my hair for about 5 minutes or so, and then as I rinsed it out, I really noticed the difference between this and the Herbal Essence. Is it Herbal Essence or Aussie? Hold on. Hold that thought. Hold on. It is Aussie. Okay, so it's different from the Aussie 3-minute Miracle Moist conditioner. This is what I typically always use. I feel like my hair is so soft. It's like butter. And I feel like the moisture stayed in my hair even when I rinsed it with this versus the Redken versus with the Aussie. I'm gonna go ahead and get back off the camera so I can do my voiceover, but I'm gonna put the Joico JPEG Deep Penetrating Restructurizer for damaged hair in my hair and use it as a deep conditioner. So stay tuned for that. Alright you guys, so here I am putting in some of that Joico K-Pack conditioner for a deep condition. I was actually really surprised at how watery the consistency and texture was, and I had a difficult time trying to figure out how much I really should put in my hair because it wasn't as thick as I thought it was going to be. The scent of it is very strong. It smells kind of like bananas or Twizzlers to me, which is kind of weird, but that's honest. But you're going to see me continue putting more and more product in my hair just because of the consistency. I thought that I should have put more in there because it didn't feel that heavy. But yeah, this is me just deep conditioning my hair. Alright y'all, so really quickly I wanted to come on. I rinsed out the Joico K-Pack Deep Penetrating Reconstructorizer for damaged hair. And I don't know if you saw me making a few faces when I was putting it in my hair. It smells like licorice, which I think is a really cool smell. However, the consistency was a lot more watery than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a lot thicker. I left it on my hair for about 45 minutes and then rinsed it out, and this is the result. My hair doesn't seem super moisturized. It actually seems a little rougher, and I think it's because of the protein that's in the reconstructorizer. So I don't know if I'll buy this again. I want to do the whole routine and see how my hair comes out. So you guys, the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner is really cool. I would suggest that you spray it in your hand before you spray it in your hair. Just because of the texture. It almost has like a lotiony / watery consistency, but it's definitely better to spray it in your hand before you put it in your hair. It does smell really good though, but it is a strong perfumey type of scent. Next, I'm going to put in the Redken Extreme Anti-Snap. I put it in a little spray bottle because of the application. It was a little bit easier that way, and I sprayed about 4 or 5 pumps in my hand prior to putting it in my hair in each section. So just working those in and then detangling a little bit and then blow drying. Now I'm going to put in the Kendra blow dry spray
prior to blow drying my hair. Now this stuff is really cool. Typically my hair holds water, a lot of water, and it takes a long time for me to blow dry. But with this Kendra spray, it really did cut down my blow dry time. So I'm using my blow dryer and my concentrator nozzle. I'm going to blow dry first with a wide tooth comb and then go in with my wet brush.
Alright y'all, so I wanted to come on really quickly. I just got done blow drying my hair. And 1, I'm tired. 2, it's hot. So let me just, let's just do it. Okay, first thoughts. I love the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I like this a lot. It made my detangling process a whole lot easier. I think it smells good. I really like it. A+. The Anti-Snap, Extreme Anti-Snap by Redken. I like this as well. I definitely do and did see a difference in how much hair I would lose when I would detangle. I feel like, and I know it might be like a placebo effect or because I want it to actually be happening, but I do feel like it did help with breakage. Like I really do feel like it's an anti-breakage treatment. Normally I would be a bald-headed scallywag just doing this blow dry treatment. Not blow dry. Oh my God, pray for me. Normally, I lose a lot of hair blow drying my hair and detangling. My hair tangles very easily, and so I typically lose a lot of hair, and I feel like I lost at least less than half of what I would normally lose just from shedding and all that. So I really, really like that. The Kendra blow dry spray, it's a really fine mist. I liked it too. Yeah, no complaints about that. Also, my hair feels different than what it would normally feel like using my other products. Like it's shiny, but it doesn't feel, okay. It feels very coarse and very textured. And I don't think it has anything to do with these products per se. I think no matter what I use, it would have felt like this, but it's very coarse. It's very, very coarse. So I'm going to straighten my hair and go to sleep because I'm exhausted. So pray for me.
Alright you guys, so I am going to spray my Got To Be Guardian Angel heat protectant balm. So I know in the tutorial that Kelsey used her Tresemme heat tamer spray, but that stuff and my hair do not get along. Like I have used that before and my hair just does not like it. So I stick to Old Faithful. That's the only change that I really did in this tutorial versus what Kelsey did, is using a different heat protectant. But spraying it in, it made my hair feel a little bit more manageable and soft. I'm going to use my Nano Titanium Babyliss flat iron and then flat iron my hair. Now in the video with Kelsey, she uses a not a fine brush, but like a bristle brush to do the chase method with her hair when she straightens it. I am not going to do that today because of how tired I was, so I'm just going to chase it with a regular rat tail comb. So basically guys, this is the moment of truth. You see me going over my roots and then chasing my hair with my comb. Y'all, look at that face. My hair, look at my face y'all. My hair changed completely. Like it became so soft once the heat hit it. Look at that victory dance. So it's no longer coarse. Once the heat hit my hair, it instantly softened and silkened it up. So I was now super excited to continue straightening the rest of my hair.
Y'all, baby, okay, y'all, I had to come up on here real quick. I did one quarter of my hair, right? Oh, twinsies, listen, y'all need to be endorsed by Redken, whoever. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, y'all. But let me tell you, if you could feel how soft my hair is, you would want to go somewhere and slap somebody. I mean, it is so soft, and it is, y'all, it is so soft and shiny, and like, okay, I take it back. My hair's not coarse. It's like the heat had to get up on there and like show my hair who's boss. It knows now. Oh, I'm about to do, oh, yeah. I'm about to be so excited. I'm about to be so excited. It is so soft and shiny, y'all. Let me do this side, and then I'm gonna come back. And if I have on a neck brace, you know, it's because I'm moving my hair. Let me do this side. I'm so excited now. Kelsey girl, you are my new best friend. We are best friends in real life. My hair is so soft, y'all. Oh, hold on, I might have some dandruff. I always have dandruff, don't judge, it's just part of life. For me, it is so shiny. Like, oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm about to cry. I'm just kidding, no I'm not. Oh my gosh. Like, I mean, do you see the shine? Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see it. It is so soft and like, oh my god, like it's so soft. I'm almost speechless. Okay, let me do the rest of my hair. I'm gonna come back and do the rest of my hair. Alright y'all, I'm back with my hair. It's finished and I'm in love. Like, I am in love. It is so, I don't even know if you can see the shine. Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? I mean, look at it. Kelsey girl, you know what you're doing, honey. I'm sorry if I ever doubted you, boo. I am sorry. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Pow, pow, pow movement. Pow to the left, to the right. But my hair is so soft and like, normally I can't go like this without having some hair coming out, like shedding or breakage or whatever. I can literally use this fine tooth comb and comb my hair and not a single strand will come out, and that has never happened. But my hair feels soft and shiny and moisturized from root to tip. Like, I don't know, I don't, okay, so I really want to give this stuff some credit because it's amazing, but I think the heat had everything to do with like changing my hair completely. Like, it is no longer coarse. It is so soft. It is so shiny. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product with like actual makeup and my non-granny glasses on in real clothes. Kelsey, you know what you're doing, girl. Thank you for sharing your hair routine with the world. I am definitely going to implement this on a 2-week basis, but I'm gonna wrap my hair up really quick and then I'm gonna come back on here showing y'all how I look tomorrow after I get my beauty sleep. So stay tuned for that. Hey you guys, so it's been a few days since I have done my hair, so I wanted to come on back and show you guys how my hair looks since I have straightened it. It has rained, and I mean poured for days, so it's been getting it's been getting dark really early, and by the time I get off work, there's not enough sunlight for me to be able to show you guys what my hair looks like in natural light, so you'll just have to forgive me, but this is what it looks like. It's about 5 days since I've washed my hair, and it's still extremely shiny and extremely straight. It has rained every day since I have washed my hair, and my hair is still straight. I have not put any more heat to my hair since I originally did it. I just wrapped it up as soon as I got home, and it came back out after I wrapped it straight. So I've had hoods on, hats on, sweaters rubbing up against the back of my hair, shirts, coats, everything, and my hair has still stayed very, very, very straight. So I would highly recommend you all following either Kelsey or Kendra's straight hair routine. If you have natural or relaxed hair and you want to have a switch up to your straightening routine, because their products, well, I followed Kelsey's routine, but the products that she used were really, really, really helpful, and my hair is definitely straighter and feels a lot better and softer than it normally would when I use my typical just drugstore products versus salon brand products. So I highly recommend you guys trying out salon brand products at least once, just to see if there's a difference in your hair. I need a trim really, really bad, and so that's what's going to be next on my list, is to get a trim and then make sure that I keep my ends nice and moisturized. I am going to get that oil, that dry oil that she had mentioned, Kelsey had mentioned in her, sorry, my phone is like super shaky. I'm going to get the oil that Kelsey mentioned in her video to put on my ends for when I wrap my hair, but the budget didn't call for that when I first did my hair, because I blew up a nice chunk of change in Ulta buying the products that she uses. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.